ang walkway nila sa may highway, may naputang Break for Life. No? I think that's reflective of that cause, Madam Chair. Yes, go ahead.
Councilor Sarabia.
I would subscribe to the notion of the presiding officer. Kindly include into your resolution where are the specific areas that you intend to recommend to place the set signages, as you mentioned earlier, no? Plazas, marketplaces, national highways, and
Markets.
kindly include, no?
Yes, Madam Chair, we can include.
Included since nasa sa title itself ng IMOGA resolution. So dapat nakabutang din kundi ang strategic areas of in Yes, Councilor Parcon, you have the floor.
Madam Chair, I was actually looking for a copy of the proposed resolution pero wala akong may makita. But I want to ask the proponent, when you say stray animals, ano inadala ang iba't man nakasapatan aside from dog? Because sa iba na lugar, sa Haro area, may mga ano pa rin na? So, that is my question. Because I'm looking for a copy of that proposed resolution. So, does the resolution include other animals, not only dogs? Who will be in charge of putting up the signages, the stray animals? Because my other colleagues mentioned that we put up some strategic places like plaza, but we also need to consider that there are stray animals, mga baka sa iban na side. So that is my question.
I agree, Madam Chair. No? Hindi ko malipat. Included ang baka. Actually, kung kita mo sa proposed signages, ang baka, Madam Chair. Kaya hindi ko malipatan man ang experience ng hapon may baka. Ang experience ng hapon ngayon na blues nga ang baka ang nagbunggo siya sa lakyan. Din sa syudad. Tapos siya ang ginbunggo, ginutulong siya kay wala siya mahimo, siya pang namalaydan. Siya pang so I think unless we can ensure na wala sang stray animals sa palibot there will always be a risk of animals crossing or major roads. Ang isa pa nga sa mga populous areas ko para usually ang sa city bed kay dira ko ang mga kasapatan gahalin sa mga panimalay at tabok sa dalan. So yes, Madam Chair, I abide with the suggestion. And ang second question was, sino ang in charge, Madam Chair? Sa ordinance or sa resolution, may staff has said na nakasubmit man sila pero just to the city engineer will be in charge. Resolve further. The city the city engineering office will be in charge for local roads, while it will be the DPWH that will be called upon to undertake the signages for the national roads. Kasi sila man ang may primary responsibility and jurisdiction sa mga signages na standard sa atong mga dalan. So, Madam Chair, thank you again for the full discussion. I hope I will amend in the result for there will define the strategic areas and add an additional. So,
yes, Councilor Malabor. The floor.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Presenting our study. This representation would like to inquire from the good gentleman. Who will be the implementing office?
DPWH, Madam Chair, in response. It will be the DPWH as to national roads and the city engineer's office for the local roads.
Madam Chair, this representation would like to suggest maybe we can put on the title of the resolution the implementing agency requesting the DPWH or the city engineers so that it will be specific and that general, because it is not indicated in the title of the resolution. Thank you, Madam Chair.
I'm amenable to it, Madam. So, thank you for the inputs, Madam Chair. It appears na we're also passionate about this, Madam Chair. ay wala ko nakita any signage in relation to this sa syudad. Again, this is a community-initiated ordinance, Madam Chair, in Ayo, sa mga advocate sa ato. So, the title will now read, Madam Chair, a resolution requesting the DPWH and the City Engineering Office to install warning signages in strategic areas. Pero parang yan, define ko lang yan, para hindi nila baka tama. In strategic